When you're buying a house and it's almost closing day, you'll get to do a final walkthrough home inspection of your property before that day. The final walkthrough is your chance to make sure that everything is in order and that the home is ready for you. Let's take a closer look at what you need to do during the final walkthrough and why it is important. You have to make sure that the seller is completely moved out of the home before you close. You're going to need to open the windows and make sure that they open smoothly. If they don't, this can be a major hazard in the event of a fire or other emergency. Look in every room and check for any belongings that the seller left behind, and don't forget to look at all the closets, the attic, the basements, and any garage or sheds. Second thing you have to do is check for appliances, fixtures, and other items that are part of your agreement. You have to contact the seller before closing if you notice there's something behind that they shouldn't have taken or they agree to leave something. Confirm that all of the appliances in the home work as you expected. Make sure that the oven heats up without smelling like gas. Run the dishwasher through a full cycle. You might want to toss a dirty dish to make sure it comes out clean and undamaged. Also, turn the washing machine and dryer on and off, and run the water in all of the drains to make sure that they drain out and don't clog. Flush every single toilet to make sure they all work. Then verify that the water shut-off valves near the base of the toilets also work. Run the water in your showers and sinks and make sure that the water gets hot and cold in a reasonable amount of time. Also check the water pressure in the shower and confirm that the bathtub holds water when you plug the drain. Open and close the garage door. Make sure it opens and closes only when you use the correct key or code, if any. Run the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Make sure that the home heats up or cools down in a reasonable amount of time. This fan had fallen with the rains and the seller agreed to the repairs. My buyers are happy to see the final result. It used to be a 3-foot fence and now there's more privacy with this new 6-foot fence. So yeah, you might have included an inspection contingency for a few requests for repairs when you submitted an offer for your home. You have to check now if the repairs have been done, and if not, you have to talk to your seller and make sure repairs are done.